Hey guys, welcome back. We are going to start diving in to business ownership and entrepreneurship. Before we start talking really nitty-gritty details, there are some principles and top considerations that we have to discuss in detail. Now, these are things I feel like are not discussed nearly enough in this realm. They're just not talked about. There's a ton of people out there, business coaches, strategists, right? They can tell you, how to create a business, how to create your offering, blah, 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 how to market it, sales. Okay, cool. All that is great. Okay. But there are a lot of people that know how to do that. If you don't, somebody else does. You can figure that part out. These three considerations underlay all of that. They provide the foundation for all of it. Just like we talked through in the psychology of money, that whole module, right? We talked about it. If you don't have a strong foundation, something that is aligned with your values and your own inclinations, your own personality, and you have principles that are the bedrock of your plan, then you will not implement your plan consistently and see rewards, period. It's just not going to happen. You're going to give up far before you see the rewards. You have to have a strong approach, the right mindset. You have to have a strong reason for doing it that is deeply tied to who you are as a person. And you have to know what your life looks like. This is no different. You really have to do that work if you're thinking about going down this path, or else there are a million paths to follow and you could quickly find yourself on the wrong trajectory. And nobody wants to do that. So the top considerations here are mindset, your why, and what do you want your life to look like? You might think, oh no, it's what product or service do I have? Who is my customer? How will I sell them? How do I price my product? How do I market it? All those things. Those are things that figured out down the line. Okay, we will talk about those, but they are not, let me repeat this, they are not the first priority when thinking about starting a business. They are secondary. And I know that might sound weird, but they are. You first have to understand and have these three things really, really firmly set. So I'm going to do just a series of quick videos about each of these topics to help you really understand why they're important and give you the chance to think through these to the point where you are solid, and then you can spring forward into actual nitty-gritty details of business. So without further ado, let's dive into these details further.
Every great business starts with the right mindset, purpose, and vision.